All right, let's do it. I'm gonna get some base from the Crystal Clear again, Crystal Clear and green, and this one I'm doing a Let's Green just to give it some base first. Okay, and again add some green on. I just want to veining just a little bit. And you can just using just a little bit. You don't want to do a big beads. You just want a smaller beads because we are going to cap it with Crystal Clear. So get the smaller beads so then you can control your marbling so much better. All right. Let me see. I'm getting, which one, Hanglet? This one? This Hanglet? This one? Which one? This one?
Yes, it's a new one, yes.
Is the new one?
It's a new one.
How about this one?
Top down, like that, yes.
Oh gosh, it's covering the whole nails. And I'm just really gentle because it's still wet on the powder. And then this is actually, this is really cool. It can stick right in to the wet powder right now. You can see that it's gold, just really curved along with the C-curve. And then we are starting decorate it and like dress it up. Adding some gold on. And some powder, which is I pick in the Crystal Clear. And dark green. Again, a little bit of Crystal Clear and a little bit of a green. And we just like covers around with this. And then we can able to add some gold leaf, like a gold fleck. It's really cute. Do you do however you would like. Where's the money sign? Oh, right here. Dollar sign. I just wonder, do I do it this one right? I must do this one right there. You still there?
Mm-hmm.
You can randoms let it slide wherever you want to be. And then we add some glitter on it. Add some clear. Hey, just me quiet or what?
It's just you being focused and nobody want to distract you.
Oh.
And $100 look real nice.
Look, the money is falling on the $100. So now I'm gonna add some, dress up some of the, along with the borders right here. You can add like big glitter, smaller glitter. I love the number 29's holo gold. Is go with everything. I'm gonna add just a little bit of holo green here, just a little bit. You can see that I'm not sure you can show it, but I just dab it on the paper, so then it will not glowing too much of glitter. And just keep in mind, you're gonna use just a little bit. You don't want to load a lot, because you still want to be able to see your $100 like bills right there, and you can dress around however you would like. You happy with this? We're going to cap it with the crystal clear, like this one. Like, hey, I don't want to go.
Super pretty.
Looks good. All right. You can add bigger, like a bigger chunk of the glitter right there, but I'm not gonna load the whole things in here. I usually pat it on the my paper towels in here, and then I can able to control so much better. Like, and pick a different size of the glitter particles, so then they are going to go on the nails without looks too like busy, you know. Okay, cap with the crystal clear. This is the strongest powders of all, because it doesn't have any pigments on it. It has super just crystal clear, and then super clear. For all of you are going to doing liquid gunpowder and encapsulate, the crystal clear is everything. It's never turned to yellows after you finish it. It's give you like as really is crystal clear. So I'm go ahead and just taper it both sides. I'm not going to like pat here. You see that is let the gravity does all it works is like floating, and it just capping all of the encapsulate glitters that I have it here. So only you need to do like just give it a little guide like on inside the center, like, you know, taper in on the side. If you've seen that how I share with you with a lot of video, I do liquid gunpowder. Pick another beads, and we're going to using it and tuck it right closer to the cuticles, probably just a hair away from the cuticles, and tuck it in. Always before you are submerging your bristle back into the monomers, always wipe off your bristles to make sure it is stay nice and clean before you submerging in, because you don't want to have all the excess powders that is still left over on your bristle. It's gonna cause of like dryness on the brush, and then it's gonna make it's really a mess on your bristles. So we want to make sure they are clear first before you are submerging the new one to the new beads. All right. And then for all of you are in the state it's really cold, just give it yourself some time. You don't want to be too rushed, because it needs time to get it set and then it's dry as well. All right, so